Okay, so this is going to be a answer key basically for the review. So going through this, we'll keep our 2x plus 2 to the squared the same. We need that 16 to be a base of 2, so we'll have 2 to the 4x. We need the 1/2 to be a base of 2, so 2 to the negative 1 squared. And we need that 8 to be a base of 2, so 2 to the third x to the fourth. Now you're going to combine those. So once you simplify this, you will just set your exponents equal to each other. Then you're going to set this equal to 0. After setting it equal to 0, you're going to factor this, x plus 5, x minus 2. So x is going to equal negative 5 or positive 2. For the second one, you're going to start off the same way. You need to get everything to that base of 3. Afterwards, you will multiply the exponentials, which means that you'll add the exponents. So we'll have 3 to the 5x minus 3x plus 6 equals 5. You can simplify that, but we'll just go ahead and take the log. You can combine like terms, so that will be 2x plus 6. We'll subtract the 6, divide by 2, and x is going to equal log base 3 of 5, oh, not plus, minus 6 over 2. For the third problem, that's the addition property, so we are going to keep the log base 3 the same, and we'll have the x plus 4 times the x plus 4. Afterwards, you will do your log snail. You'll have 3 squared equals the x squared plus 8x plus 16. That equals 9, so we'll subtract that over. We have 0 equals x squared plus 8x plus 7. When we factor this, we'll have x plus 7, x plus 1. So x equals negative 7 or negative 1. For problem 4, you are going to divide what's the arguments, so the thing in the parentheses. So log base 2 of x plus 1 over 7 equals 3. We'll do our log snail. 2 to the third is 8. We're going to multiply it by 7 to get x plus 1. So 55 is going to equal x. For problem 5, we are finding the exponential growth. So exponential growth is going to have a equals p 1 plus r to the t. We have our p right here, our r right here, and our t right here. So when we write this out, we'll have a equals 2,000, 1 plus the 0.02, 10. And that's going to equal 2,437.99. For number 6, we're using these same things, but we're compounding quarterly and continuously. So for the first, we'll have the 2,000, 1 plus 0.02. Quarterly means 4 times a year, and that will equal 2,441. For the second, this is for compounding continuously. We have that same 2,000, e to the 0.02 times 10. And when we plug that into a calculator, we'll have 2,442. For this last problem, this time we have the p, we have the r, and we have an a. And we need to find t. So we'll have 15,000 equals 5,000 e to the 0.08t When we divide by 5,000, we have 3 equals e to the 0.08t. We'll do our log snail. And we'll have natural log of 3 equals 0.08t. So t is going to equal the natural log of 3 divided by 0.08, and that will equal 13.73. If you have any questions on this stuff, please reach out. Otherwise, have a good weekend.